Good day everyone, this is CK and welcome to our basic accounting online tutorial, advanced studying at home before starting your accountancy journey. In this tutorial, pag-uusapan lang naman natin yung mga pinaka-importanting points about basic accounting para mas madali natin itong maintindihan. And also, this tutorial is a great introduction to incoming ABM students and review na rin for our incoming first year BS Accountancy students. In this video, palalawakin natin yung idea natin on how to recognize business transactions. So, meron akong prepare na problem dito and ipapractice natin kung ano ba yung mga accounting events na given na kailangan nating i-recognize as accounting transactions at kailangan nating i-record sa ating libro. So, hindi kasi lahat ng events na nangyayari sa business ay kailangan natin i-record kasi sila ay irrelevant. So, we have here the problem. Which of the following events would be recognized in the accounting records of CK Accts on the date indicated? So, pwede nyong i-pause yung video na to para sagutan or i-analyze kung ano sa tingin ninyo dito yung mga dapat natin i-recognize as business transactions. So, kung ready na kayo, let's start with our explanation. So, for our February 15, CK Accts offers to purchase a piece of land for 1,500,000 pesos. There is a high likelihood that the offer will be accepted. Is it a business transaction or not? The answer is no. Bakit hindi siya business transaction? Because meron tayong word dito na offers to purchase. Okay? Offers. Meron tayong keyword na offers. Ibig sabihin nito, nag-o-offer pa lang tong si CK Accts para mag-purchase ng lupa. Okay? In-offer pa lang niya. Kapag sinabi kasi nating business transactions, kailangan meron ditong palitan ng benefit. Okay? Dapat yung parties na involved ay magbe-benefit from that transaction. Pero dito, dahil nag-offer pa lang si CK Accts na ipopurchase niya yung land, ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya maituturing na business transaction. Okay? Again, tandaan, kapag sinabi nating business transaction, kailangan merong palitan ng resources at both parties na involved ay magbe-benefit from that accounting or business transaction. So, for March 2 naman, CK Accts receives a notice that its rentals for an office space will increase from 50,000 to 60,000 pesos per month effective April 1. Is it should we recognize this as business transaction or not? The answer is no. Okay, bakit hindi rin siya recognized as business transactions? Because of the term na receives a notice. Ibig sabihin, naka-receive pa lang si CK Accts ng notice para sa renta na mag-i-increase from 50,000 to 60,000. Notice pa lang siya. Okay, hindi pa nangyayari na kailangan bayaran ni CK Accts yung increase na yon. So, kung hindi pa nangyayari, wala pang palitan ng resources, wala pang nagbe-benefit from that event, hindi pa siya considered as business transaction. Moving on with our April 29, dito naman ang sabi, CK Accts receives its electricity bill for the month of April. The bill is due on May 9. So, ito naman ay business transaction or not? So, ang sagot natin dito ay Yes, this is a business transaction. Bakit? Kasi naka-receive si CK Accts ng electricity bill for the month of April. And kapag naka-receive tayo ng electricity bill, ibig sabihin nun, di ba yun yung babayaran natin base dun sa na-consume na natin na electricity. Yun naman yung nangyayari, di ba? Hindi naman nagbibigay ng electricity bill ang isang electricity company kung hindi pa natin nako-consume yung electricity na yon. So dahil doon, nag-benefit na tayo from that electricity. So dahil nag-benefit na tayo, ibig sabihin, considered na siya as business transaction. Okay? And yung benefit naman sa side ng electricity company ay magaganap sa time na nagbayad ka or magbabayad ka na ng electricity bill mo. Okay? So, yun yung idea ng business transaction. Pwede naman na ma-delay yung yung benefit na makukuha ng isang party. Pero kung nag-benefit na yung another party from that, it is considered as business transaction na. Okay? The next one, we have July 10. CK Accts places an order for an office equipment costing 108,000 pesos. So, this is business transaction or not? Ang sagot naman natin dito ay no. Hindi din siya business transaction. Kasi ang key term natin dito ay yung part na places an order. Nag-place pa lang ng order sa CK Accts. Wala pang nagbe-benefit from the seller and the buyer. So, ang buyer natin dito ay si CK Accts. Hindi pa naman siya nagbe-benefit from that order at hindi pa rin naman nagbe-benefit yung ating seller kasi hindi pa natin siya nababayaran. Order pa nga lang. Kaya siya ay hindi pa considered as business transaction. And lastly, for our August 6, the office equipment ordered on July 10 is delivered. Payment is not due until September 1. Is it a business transaction or not? Ang sagot naman natin dito ay yes, this is a business transaction. Ang accounting event na to or yung transaction na to ay from our business event noong July 10, di ba? So, noong July 10, nag-order tayo ng office equipment na costing 108,000 pero nag-place pa lang tayo ng order doon, wala pang nagbe-benefit from that event. Ngayon, nung nangyari yung August 6 na yung in-order natin ay na-deliver na, ibig sabihin, magbe-benefit na tayo from that transaction. Kasi nakuha na natin yung kung ano mang in-order natin. And kahit na yung payment natin ay hindi pa agad mangyayari or madedelay pa, or sa September 1 pa siya nangyari, basta na-deliver na sa atin yung ating in-order na office equipment, yun ay considered na as accounting transaction. Kasi may isang party na magbe-benefit from that accounting event. And that's how we recognize business transactions from many accounting events na nangyayari or business events na nangyayari sa isang business. So again, tandaan natin na hindi lahat ng events ay nire-record sa ating libro because yung mga nire-record natin ay kailangan beneficial from the concerned parties. Okay? And by that, kailangan din na meron siyang monetary impact nga na sinasabi para makonsider natin siya as an accounting transaction at ma-record natin siya as accounting record sa ating mga libro like sa ating journal, ledger, and so on. And that's all for this video. I hope na marami kayong natutunan at mas naintindihan nyo on how we recognize business transactions. Para magpatuloy sa tutorial na ito, please subscribe this channel. It's CK Accts upang maging updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating videos. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nanonood and kita-kits sa ating next video.